Uh, Today I'll show you how to fix the ignition coil. This coil is really quite expensive. Like any car is over $100. This sometimes $200-300 too. You can really easily fix that. That if you have a crack in here, like the crack in here all over, just put the RTB, like this is the gasket maker RTB, and this must be high temp RTB. Just whatever the crack, you see the spark, whatever you have the crack, or just put it in, apply it right here all over, and like apply all over, like around it everywhere. Then leave it for a couple hours until it dry. Then you can put it back, and it's not gonna spark or misfire. If you don't have like any power or anything, sometimes it's like, let me show you this. See this? There's a spring right there. This one has the spring. Take that spring off. You need to take the spring off. This sort of spring, you can take it off and clean very good, or sand it with the sandpaper. Yes. You can take it off like this. This is easily is coming off. See, this is a big spring right there. Clean everywhere. It's right here. Sometimes it's corrosion right here. A lot of corrosion. This is very good, nice and clean. And you have a corrosion, to clean it up, or clean with this brake clean. Then clean in here as well, like inside. And with this one, it's also have a, you see, little like a pin. It's kind of like a pin. Right there is spring sitting. So you need to clean these two. Right there, you see. Sometimes you get corrosion right here. It's got corrosion right here. After you clean, it should be good. Clean this, all the terminal, the pin right there. Clean this, check, make sure save power. Most of the time it's work, so you can try before you buy that. Hopefully it's gonna help you, save you some money, because this thing is not cheap. Not like this. Anyway you can put it in. Put this in right here. That's it. Should be good. You can really take this off too. See this? You can separate these two and clean. Go clean. Put it back again like this. That's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much.